Okay guys, here today showing you how to replace the third brake light on a 2002 Lexus IS300. This is the first generation that's made from 1998 to 2005, also known as the XE10 chassis. The sport crosses are different obviously because it's a wagon, but this is just a sedan. You access it in here inside. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, well maybe two flathead screwdrivers if you need more help to pry. You don't need to remove these headrests, but I'm going to, just so you can give it a little bit extra room. If you just lift these up, there's a little button on the side that you can push and hold it in and then just remove these. Same for the center one. This one's a little bit harder to move up, but this can also do the same. I'm not going to remove the other one because you don't need to. But if you just look straight back here now, you'll have, good access to the back. All you do is take a flathead screwdriver and just come up underneath the plastic cover and pry up. As you're doing that, pull it towards you and it'll come up off of its clip. So you just come up underneath it like this. You can see I kind of popped this one up already. You just come up underneath on one side and kind of pry it up, and then get your hands up underneath here. Sometimes the piece will come detached from the plastic cover. Like I said, just kind of just lift it up and come towards you, just like so, and that will release it. Like I said, sometimes these covers themselves break and then the two pieces get split like this. Okay, now that you have this now exposed, like I said, sometimes, well, unfortunately my cover came apart from this guy. There's just a little tab right here that you can press to release the electrical connector, just like so. There's just a little tab right here to press. You can take this out, and then normally these things right here will just spin. You can just spin them counterclockwise and pull out, and then you can go ahead and just pull this bulb straight out like this, and then go ahead and insert your new bulb, and then just put everything back together. Put the new bulb in, let's put this back. Go ahead and reconnect it. Then you can go on ahead and just pretty much reassemble this back how you pulled it out. Sometimes they can be a bit troublesome, but my connector itself, they're kind of snapped, so you can just leave it like that, play with it a little bit, and it'll go down. But it's pretty easy to do this job. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'll go ahead and fix it here in a minute. Then you would just pop your headrest back down into place, and that's all there is to it. It's really simple, really straightforward. I know a lot of people were wondering if you get to these. Some of them you get to them through the trunk, but this car you do not. You just attack it here from the inside. So if you have any comments or questions, please ask them in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out, guys. Thanks.